Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the art of business card design using Canva. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just need a refresh, this tutorial is perfect for you. First things first, let's open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, head over to the search bar and type in business card. Canva offers a variety of templates to get you started. Template selection. Here, you can browse through a wide range of templates. Choose one that fits your brand style or start from scratch. For today's tutorial, we'll select a template to speed up the process. Customizing the template. Now, let's customize our template. Click on the text fields to add your name, title, and contact information. Make sure your details are clear and legible. Changing colors and fonts. To personalize your card, you can change the fonts and colors. Click on any text box to adjust the font style, size, and color. Use your brand's color scheme for a consistent look. Adding and adjusting logos. Let's add your logo. Click on the Uploads tab and upload your logo file. Drag and drop it onto your card, then resize and position it to fit your design. Keep your design clean and professional. Avoid cluttering your card with too many elements. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure everything is properly aligned and spaced. Final touches and export. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your business card. Click on Share button at the top right corner, then select Download. Choose the file format you prefer, such as PDF print for the best quality, and hit Download button. And there you have it, a professional business card designed in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.